Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how I draw lips. I'm just going to use a basic flat lighting, which means it really depends on your drawing's light source where you should put highlights and shadows. Let's start. First, I sketch a number 8 and put a line in the middle to determine whether my drawing is smiling or not. I create a new sketch on top of that to shape the lips. Then, I create a new layer in the middle of those two to block in the colors. I make the middle part and bottom darker to add volume. I usually flatten the layers after that and start blending. Notice that I'm creating two small circles at the sides of the mouth. Sometimes I blend too much, so I need to add darker parts again. Then, I add highlights below the two dots and in the middle of the upper and lower lips to improve the volume. Then blend everything again. When I'm almost done, I add more solid highlights to have that lip gloss look. Now let's do it again in color. Step 1. Number 8 with a middle line. Step 2. Shape the lips. Step 3. Block in colors and add volume. Step 4. Flatten everything and blend, blend, blend. Step 5. Add highlights and blend again. Step 6. Add some lip gloss. When drawing in color, I usually add some other details like creating a new color overlay so I can change the lipstick of my drawing. Sometimes I also add a different color just in the middle. Then finish off everything again with highlights. There, let me know in the comment section how you draw your lips. See you in the next video. Bye!